Hello, people. So I have to say this, yeah, that as much as I want to record every day, what I've realized is certain days one gets so busy and one is not really in the mind frame. So no, I need to mention this mind frame factor because at the end of the day, we might think that we are watching someone's channel for the information they are providing, which might be true for some certain technical information, but mostly it is the energy. It's the kind of energy that a person brings to the table that counts, so no, it's taken me a long while to realize something like this. So anyway, so the people, keeping that in mind, there's this book called Bill Cosby, and Bill Cosby's Time Flies. Now, people, I think Bill Cosby can be counted as one of the funniest authors America has ever seen. I mean, there's this other author called Dave Barry who is like rib ticklingly funny. So there are these certain funny humorous books that everyone should read. So Bill Cosby is one of so Time Flies is about how, basically how before you know it, time is past. It really, this book makes you nostalgic, it makes you laugh. It speaks about a family, about a Afro-American family in the States. So y'all should try and read this, people, if y'all get the chance. Bill Cosby's Time Flies. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.